first discovered in the corona surrounding the sun and later found in gases leaking from Mount Vesuvius. Helium is the second most abundant element in the universe. Helium's atomic number is 2. Its atomic weight is 4.002, making it the second lightest element on the periodic table, and its atomic radius is 31 picometers. Helium is a gas at room temperature. Its boiling point is 4.222 Kelvin, and its melting point is unknown. Helium is found in the atmosphere in trace amounts of 5 parts per million. Helium is used as a cooling medium in the Large Hadron Collider, as well as in superconducting magnets in MRI scanners and NMR spectrometers. It is also used to keep satellite instruments cool, as well, and was used to cool the liquid oxygen and hydrogen that powered the Apollo space vehicles. Helium is used as an inert shield for arc welding to pressurize fuel tanks of liquid-fueled rockets and in supersonic wind tunnels. Liquid helium-4 becomes a superfluid at 2.18 Kelvin, and a superfluid is a substance that is fluid and undergoes no friction and has extremely high thermal conductivity, over 1,000,000 times that of its normal phase. Also, the thermal conductivity of helium-2, or of helium gas, is very high. The boiling point of helium is closer to absolute zero than of any other element. Liquid helium can provide the lowest operating temperatures of any refrigerant. Helium is radiologically inert. It does not easily participate in nuclear processes and does not become radioactive. Because helium is easily compressed and non-toxic, it is used in specialized breathing mixtures of gases for very deep scuba diving and as a replacement for the nitrogen that makes up about 75% of our air. At high pressures such as underwater below around 100 feet, 30 meters, dissolved nitrogen can quickly build up in body tissues and cause failed decompression illness or dangerous bouts of nitrogen narcosis, an effect similar to sudden and extreme drunkenness. To get around the problems of breathing nitrogen, technical and commercial divers who plunge to depths of up to 400 feet or use beyond breathing mixtures like heliox, in which the fraction of nitrogen of the air has been replaced with helium. Helium takes its name from Helios, the Greek god of the sun, which was the chemical element, which was where the chemical element was discovered in 1860. In the 1860s, by astronomers studying the signature gas absorption lines of the color spectrum of sunlight. Helium makes up around 45% of the mass of the sun, where it formed at scorching temperatures by the fusion of hydrogen, the primary process that keeps the sun and all stars burning. In turn, amounts of helium are fused in stars to create the heavier elements, including carbon, oxygen, and silicon. Most helium atoms have 2 proton and 2 neutron particles in the nucleus, an isotope called helium-4, but some form an isotope with just 2 protons and 1 neutron called helium-3, which has been proposed as an ideal fuel for fusion power generation. Thanks for watching. This has been Justin from the CCN.